CR7's relentless pursuit of perfection begins before dawn on a private field, where every touch sharpens into a lesson. Beyond the goals, his routine blends sleep discipline, nutrition, and precise recovery, helping him sustain peak speed into his mid-30s. Video reels reveal a rare emphasis on plyometrics and core stability, a blueprint shaping modern training across teams. Anecdotes recount a young Ronaldo learning under tough mentors at Sporting, translating grit into confidence and fearless competition. This short series celebrates how CR7 transformed setbacks into remarkable comebacks, inspiring fans to chase excellence with unwavering belief.